insecure. I could admit I ain't there like I should be. For the ones that I love and the ones who love me. Not those who love me for my money, but for the ones that was me. I was chosen to be the one that brought us to a victory. I was broken and left for dead. I still just holding the pain and don't show it. Now my stash spot way bigger than the last spot. I got a gift, I turn decent homes into bad spots. A nigga run up in this bitch vacant, he hit the jackpot. I run up in some shit, something smooth, and break the padlock. Shoot up your grandmammy shit, she watching Madlock. You got your little smoke with these niggas, but I'm the bad op. I come from not a pot to go pitch, this for the have-nots. I come from not a block to go pitch, now I got mad blocks. I come from not a cent to my name, now I got mad guap. You can't feel pain like me if you ain't been through none of this shit, my nigga. Y'all niggas like, I gotta go through something first.